Oh, and I almost forgot one other thing. I am also taking, no, this is not cocaine. Hey friends, it's me. It's early in the morning and the kids are asleep, so I am gonna try to be quiet about this, but I am flying to DC today. Just like a quick in and out trip. I'm not telling a lot of people that I'm going, not because they don't want to see a ton of people, but because it's just gonna be like really quick in and out. But how do I travel and stay on the homegrown year? Now, one meal will be one of my cheat meals, one of my 4 of the year. It will be my second, so I'm right on time, but I've got all the other time and I need to be able to eat. So what am I packing? Here's a bag of freeze-dried, not pomegranates, persimmons. My friend Leah sent them to me, so that's in my bag. Let's see what else is in here. Zucchini, squash, somewhere, I think I put it in here. I put one of my last apples. So that's like, if I get stranded and nothing else works. There is an apple in my bag somewhere. There's also like 57 headphones and all kinds of stuff. So that is my carry-on, right? This is my checked bag, and let's see, bag of freeze-dried cheese, another apple, and then because one of the meals is going to be my cheat meal, I'm figuring that I'm going to have a slight hangover. So in here I have a jar of pickles. This is A+ hangover food. A jar of applesauce, and then also a jar of sauerkraut. Now, in addition to all of this, and this should be enough for 72 hours. Sorry about my messy room, but hi, welcome to real life. So in addition to all of this, I also FedExed myself a box to my friend's house a few days ago of frozen zucchini zoodle noodles, and then right before we started the home renovation stuff, I roasted an entire turkey. I took the fattiest pieces of that and mailed it to myself. So hopefully it will get there today. So between my bag, my carry-on, and the FedEx, hopefully I will have enough redundancies of food packed that I will make it and then come back. So anyway, it does add a different level of complication in order to travel on the homegrown year, but it's not impossible. It's not super hard. You just throw some stuff in a bag. I'm sure, you know, all the people who are on super restrictive diets because they have to be, because of like allergies or you know, whatever other reason, religious reasons or whatever it is, are looking at this and they're like, yeah, we know how to do this. It's not that hard. I'm not super limited in what I can and can't do because of the homegrown year. So I'm gonna go get on a plane. Debating whether I should wake my kids up or whether or not they should just wake up and I'll be gone, because it's like so much drama to wake them up and then they're crying, and then that's more fraught with peril. Is like, do you wake your kids up and hug them goodbye, or do you just be like, you're fine, and I'll see you in a couple days. Anyway, I have food and clothes. I did find my apple. It was in my computer compartment. So, yeah, apple. Oh, it smells so good. I mean, these are like you can tell it's kind of starting to get a little sad. These are the last of the apples my friend Calla brought me from, I want to say in August or September, and it's January. But I've just had these in a fridge, you know. So anyway, I'm so excited. This is gonna be great. It's gonna be a great trip. One of my favorite singers, a guy named Robert Earl Keen, is playing a concert in Virginia. So I'm literally flying across the country with my food to go see him play. And he's doing a socially distanced concert, so I guess we'll like sit far apart, but it's an acoustic show. So it's just gonna be him on stage with a guitar. I'm going with one of my best girlfriends, Mary Catherine, and we're just gonna go and sit and enjoy an acoustic show. First live music in over a year. I did get my corona test. It was negative. So I know I can't be a person who like preaches that people should take personal responsibility and not do it myself. So I did get a test, you know, and we're gonna take all the necessary and realistic protocols, but I'm excited. I'm really excited to get out of here. And then I come back and babies start, goat babies, so gotta keep it all together. Yikes. Oh, and I almost forgot one other thing. I am also taking, no, this is not cocaine. It is freeze-dried goat's milk. I am taking freeze-dried goat's milk, and I'm about to go grind up a few of my Island 10 Hawaiian coffee beans, because since we are having this cheat meal Friday night, I'm gonna go ahead and take myself some caffeine, because I feel like Saturday morning I might need it like a lot. I think I'll take those carry-on just because they're like very precious cargo. It's gonna be super fun. I wonder what the TSA people are gonna think. It'll be interesting. Okay, bye.